This is Amagami Ham-Ham. It's a soon-to-be-released stuffed animal robot, and basically if you stick your finger in its mouth, it nibbles on your finger, and it's supposed to be reminiscent of pet animals or babies that nibble on their finger when they're younger, and it's supposed to provide a comforting feeling to the user.
It feels kind of like stress relieving. I don't know. It's sucking on my finger apparently. What's the price range?
This is around.
Wow! My family can carry me around anywhere. When she
This is Kubo. This was released in 2018. It's a therapeutic robot cushion, and basically if you pet it, the tail wags in response to how hard you pet it, and it's geared towards people who may be allergic to pets or are just unable to buy a pet.
I was actually very surprised, but like, it's very interesting. I have a cat, an actual cat, but this is like a good alternative for like an animal if you're allergic or if you can't own an animal. I love it. It's great.